Hey everybody, this is going to be a general reading for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for the month of October. This is a general message for the sign of Virgo. It may or may not resonate with everyone, so please take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. Virgos, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're safe. Oopsies. Wow, okay. Okay then. Virgo, what's happening? I see stability coming in your life, or it has come in your life, probably. Also, you will be getting a love offer. Uh, Either from, water sign, or like Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or from any other sign who has water in their chart. And this love could be a long lasting one, a long term relationship. Wow, you've got the Wheel of Fortune also. I see October being a month of new opportunities. Probably things that were stuck in the previous months start rolling and, start getting some kind of momentum. Lot of 10 energy. Oopsies. Yep, you guys are manifesting something beautiful in your life. Most of you are feeling very stable when it comes to your emotions, or when it comes to your work life. Yeah, you're manifesting something beautiful. Either there was this person that you wanted to get in touch with, but there was some kind of communication that was stopped. Card at the bottom of the deck is the Moon. Okay. Yeah, so I was saying that probably you'll be getting this communication back from somebody who, um, stopped talking. Either you stop talking to them or they stop talking to you. Either ways, there was some kind of um, break when it comes to this connection. But you're manifesting it again, and this felt like this person or this connection. It felt like home to you. It was stable. It had everything that you wanted. There was mental, emotional compatibility. Probably there is distance between you two. That is why there has been no communication, or some other responsibilities came up either for you or for them, and that is why the communication stopped. But I think it's coming back again, either from the same person or from somebody who you are keen on having. Oopsies. One of you is moving on from this connection. I feel you guys are moving towards each other, because see the placement, you're manifesting this connection, you're manifesting that job that you wanted, you're manifesting that stability, the prosperity that you were looking for, some kind of material possessions that you were looking at, and in the previous months it couldn't happen. So now you'll be manifesting them in October, because I feel that you guys were in some kind of turmoil, either work wise or family wise. um but now you're moving on from that. You've got the World also. Amazing. See, if you had been going through troubled times, then things are going to become better for you. In case you weren't going through anything and things were very smooth for you, things may get a little topsy turvy. But I feel that most of you were going through something which was more of a struggle than anything else. And it could be work wise or relationship wise. But you're gaining your strength back, you're gaining your mental stability back, and you're moving on from the past and moving towards something that you wanted to manifest. And it's going to turn out to be very beautiful, this connection, and more tense, probably. So, see, October is the 10th month, and we've got the moon again, and again at the bottom of the deck. That is some strong energies, some kind of secrets, some kind of deceptive energies that have surrounded you in the past will find their way out of your life. Either around the 10th of October or in October in general, you're going to be, getting out of this energy which was stagnating your progress, which was hampering your relationships, not with family, I feel, but yeah, your personal relationships, like, with your spouse or your girlfriend, boyfriend, whoever, even friends for that matter. There was a lot of struggle, there was a lot of turmoil that was happening, and now that energy is going away. Stability comes back in. The stability which was there in the beginning of this month. Yeah, could be around the 6th of October also. 6th and 10th are very important days. Even 7th of October is an important date. This connection ended horribly. Whatever this connection was, it ended horribly. You weren't expecting this end, neither was your partner. And both of you are now in this hermit mode, this mode to rest and not pay attention to anything else apart from your work, family, yourselves, your own mental health. And getting out of this connection made you feel very trapped. You've got the magician again. I think even your partner is manifesting you. Even this person who you were in contact with is manifesting you, and probably there will be some kind of communication either from your side or from theirs. But yes, there will be some communication regarding this relationship or situationship that you had around the 10th or 6th of October. Too many cards, I won't open those. But I feel it's more, this energy that you're surrounded by right now is better than what you were in the previous months. Virgos are go-getters. If they want something, they go get it. And I feel this has led you to a lot of conflict in your personal as well as professional life. I think most of you are planning to change jobs. It could be a third party situation that happened actually. Um, I feel now this weight is getting over. It's you feel more at peace with yourself and your surroundings. I also feel that this communication that you were waiting for finally comes your way. Now either it liberates you or pushes you to have a second go at it, you know? Okay. Let's just take out some clarifiers and then we'll wrap this reading up. I hope this communication is something that makes you feel happy. Because I feel you guys have been waiting and waiting a long time for this communication to happen. More information is needed. Contact someone with expertise in this area. This could be for anyone. Oopsies. Okay. Too many cards. Sorry. People looking for, if you're battling some kind of a health problem, or you need advice on some paperwork, legal work, get help. It's time to move on. Oh yeah, time to move on. Yes, see. They don't have to say anything now. You guys are moving on from something, either a place, a job, a relationship, a person, a feeling, whatever it is, it didn't serve you. And now you're moving on from something that didn't serve you to something that is truly meant for you. Either it is you or your person. Oopsies. Finish what you've started. You've started something important and now it's time to complete it. Talk about your feelings. Oh, yes. Move on from this isolation. Go ahead and talk to your person or whoever this communication stopped with, and let your feelings out. Talk about love. That's what you're feeling right now, I feel, because there are too many cups that have come out in your cards. And finish what you've started. In case you've started a connection with somebody and then it abruptly ended, make sure you complete it. Because I see this abrupt communication, or that is end in this communication. Don't let pride get in your way, guys. Full moon and full moon. Wow. Sometimes it's good to talk things out. Listen to the other person and make sure that the other person listens to you, so that there is, at least there is some kind of clarity. Don't base your decisions on assumptions, please. Don't take hasty decisions. It's not going to work out, guys. And to get a win-win situation, you need to keep your pride away. You need to talk about your feelings and do it now. Because, yeah, it's all up to you at the end. I can only suggest. And also, if in case you plan to go ahead with this communication, um, it's going to end up in success. Uh, you'll feel better about yourself. You'll feel better about venting your feelings. After you vented your feelings, after you've heard the other person out, go ahead, Virgos. Go ahead and have this talk. Because I just feel that the other person is also waiting for you to talk. Because, see, it's just so many of these. One is upright and one is, in reversed. Probably they are waiting for you and you're waiting for them. Why don't you take the initiative if they haven't and just get it done, right? At the most, you guys will fight and things will end again. Or perhaps things won't end and there'll be a new beginning. Now, won't that be amazing? Because I see pleasant cards all over your reading, and then I just see that you're just held up with inhibitions, or you're not willing to, let go of your ego, guys. Or they are not willing to let go of their ego. One of you tried, one of you hasn't yet. So if it's you who hasn't tried, you make an effort. Or at least give your person a sign that you're open to this conversation, and give them a window so they can, initiate it and you guys come to a conclusion. Because I see you both want to talk, because you guys mean the world to each other. Like, there was this beautiful connection, and for some odd reason, it's ended. Work, family, material goods, whatever. Whatever made it end, you just need to talk it out. And the more you hold on to it, the more painful it's going to become for you and for the other person. So, yeah, Virgo, I hope this reading helped, and I hope it finds you in the pink of health, and I hope you guys find happiness and prosperity wherever you go. Thank you for watching. Bye.